Gia, you eat na that one. Because when we were young, your mommy and I didn't eat any blueberries. We only eat dewberry. Right, mommy? That's the only thing that resembles a blueberry. Gia? Gia, look. Gia. Gia. You don't want? Gia?
Sila na, one more na lang.
It's expensive, baby.
Great job! Great job, akin baby.
Oh, mommy naman, eat blueberry, mommy. First time to eat a blueberry.
Gia.
My loves, eat some blueberry.
Oh, first time ko naman kait ng mga blueberry. Oh, Gia.
Yung raw, no? Yung ganyan talaga. Try mo, pakita mo nung itsura. Yan. Kamusta? Kamusta ang lasa? How's the taste, my loves, of a blueberry?
Katrap na naman.
Like grapes, no? Nasa ano siya, on the sour. Pero like, sour na after ng sour, may ano, slight sweetness, no? So I think that's why Gia wants to eat some.
Sapa. Gia, mama pa.
Oh, daddy, give daddy. Give daddy. Love you. Oh, what's that in your mouth, baby? Yummy? Huh? Yummy, baby? Oh, sige. Oh. What's that? What's mommy preparing? Steady mo, my loves, para makita nila what's that.
Gia.
Oh.
Ayan eh.
Gia, eat ikaw, baby. Ha?
Kali, Gia. Sige na, oh, kali.
Yes, Gia.
Ayun na. Pero niya bit malakas.
16 RMB.
Oh, pricey po na siya.
Slightly pricey.
Oh. Gia.
Mommy's letting you eat blueberries. Oh. Hey, Chura, what's with your face, baby? Eat. Mukasim, Gia? Huh?
Sapa.
Come on, baby. It's pretty healthy. Eat.
Di pa.
Gia. Sige lang kuno ka mun one more.
One more.
One more. One more. Blueberries being prepared by mommy. Mommy. Is it yummy, Gia? How many have you eaten na? May kaaway ka. Looks like you have an enemy, Gia. O, sige na. Bye-bye na. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye na, bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Nay. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Oh, one more. Last.
Bye-bye.
Oh, last. Ooh. Sige. Oh, wow, nalapit na siya. Kanina na mukha asim. See you later. Bye-bye, my loves.
Bye-bye.